amazing friends, welcome back once again to Mama Niger's Creative Art Studio. Guys, what do I have before you? This is the watermelon fruit basket created from our live workshop today. Guys, if you missed it, we missed you dearly, and we hope you could have been there. But we are bringing you evidence, the masterpiece that was created from the workshop, live watermelon basket carving workshop. We had so much great fun, and a lot of good tips was given out on how you can select a perfect, ripened, and sweet watermelon, fully mature watermelon. Yes. And we also gain multiple skills, guys, on various ways to cut your watermelon, to ball the melon balls. And as you can see, this melon that we have here, this basket, houses 3 colors of melon. You have the watermelon, the cantaloupe, and the honeydew. Guys, it was such a great pleasure. Everyone that was present, thank you for coming in and supporting, my mission to share the knowledge, to share the talent. And I am blessed because you left with a skill to enhance your world. For anyone else that couldn't make it, we would love to see you in our next section. To catch up, be sure to check out the live stream video. I will be attaching the link to the live stream to this video. So click on the link and voila, you will get the details on how you can create this. And the tools that you will need also is listed on the description box, guys. All you have to do is click on the link that will take you straight to Amazon, where you can buy the tools affordably. Tips on how you can take it from the basic basket to a higher levels. Yes, there are levels to it, guys, because you will gain a lot of tips, a lot of skills, techniques on how you also can achieve this beautiful, well decorated watermelon basket. So I just wanted to come and share with you the beautiful art piece that was created from the live streaming of today. And for everyone that participated, I am looking forward to another great session, guys. Yeah, stay tuned because we will be bringing this on a weekly basis. Stay tuned for our next live streaming on Creative Food Art Workshop. Guys, I am so thrilled about this. This is the opportunity, guys, to gain some endearing skills that you can use to elevate your culinary artwork. Your hostess or host presents. Here it is at the tip of your fingers. Come on out. Let's have fun while we enhance our world. Thank you, guys, for coming in. Much love to each and every one of you.